Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
October 25, 2019, which was released on October 25, 2019. 2 unreleased singles were released on April 10 on Patreon. The 2 singles include a cover of Heart-Shaped Box by Nirvana and a new song called Shanghai.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Bad Wolves debuted an impressive cover of Lady Gaga's hit song, Bad Romance, a track that originally appeared on her third EP, The Fame Monster 2009. This cover features once Human frontwoman Lauren Hart.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Tommy Vext, lead vocalist, Doc Coyle, lead guitar, Chris Kane, rhythm guitar, John Boecklin, drum kit, Kyle Conkiel, Bad Wolves members. About Bad Wolves, consisting of vocalist Tommy Vext, drummer John Boecklin, guitarist Doc Coyle, guitarist Chris Kane, and bassist Kyle Conkiel.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
He stayed involved as a drug dealer and became addicted to drugs. And in 2010 he broke into my apartment, and I came home to a home invasion. And he struck me with a crowbar, fractured my skull, broke my arm, and beat me up until my spleen burst. I was rushed to the hospital, and I died.
Take our lead.
Nation is a representation of our fan base, says Vext. Although the band has yet to disclose the full meaning behind the album title, the cover photo was shot by renowned photographer Horace Newcomb. The wolf is a representation of our fan base, and to me, that's what Bad Wolves Nation is.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.